Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Likee account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Likee application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. From here, you'll be able to sign up or log into your account. You'll be able to find several sign up or login methods over here. You can either log in with your email, Google, Facebook, phone or quick sign up. So simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to log in with my email. So if you also want to log in with your email, what you have to do is enter the email address in the field of email address. You can see over here I've already entered it. Now simply tap on this option, sign up or log in with email. Now you'll have to enter your password. So simply enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you want to log in with your email verification code, you can also do that. Simply tap on the option log in with email verification code. If you do that, you'll be able to receive the verification code via email. So you can enter the verification code and log into your account. Otherwise, you can simply enter the password and log in. If you have forgotten the password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Likee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.